If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Blue Apron, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate through the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have received any verification emails from Blue Apron. Sometimes, these emails can end up in your spam or junk folder, so be sure to check there as well. Step 2. Resend verification email. If you haven't received the verification email, log into your Blue Apron account and look for an option to resend the verification email. Click on it to initiate the process again. Step 3. Confirm your information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Blue Apron as customer support. Provide them with your account details and explain the situation so they can assist you further. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After taking the necessary steps, be patient and wait for confirmation from Blue Apron. They will notify you once your verification is complete, and you can continue using your account. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status on your Blue Apron account. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from their support team.